Okay?
Good day and mabuhay. Welcome to our lecture on My name is Sanjay. I am working okay, the SSC class. Please allow me to accompany you to this area. Please. Use the this area in further assistance. Please do not hesitate to contact. I am working to assist. Just a moment. Thank you and mabuhay. Good day and mabuhay. Welcome to our 5-star hotel, where you can find satisfactory service and relaxation. My name is Archie. I am a practice officer for today. How can I assist you? You have a reservation with us. Would you like to go for reservation? Yes. May I know your preferred date and time? How will you do so? Alright, thank you sir. Your preferred date and time is on January 19, 2026 at exactly 8 p.m. until January 20, 2026 at exactly 6 a.m. Based on our hotel policy, we are not booking 6 o'clock policy or we are expecting around 20 minutes before your next. Please wait for a while to check first and then we'll Thank you for waiting, sir. Your room is highly available. The paper dating time is from January 19, 2026 at 8 p.m. Estimate time of arrival 7:30 p.m. Until January 20, 2026 at exactly 6 a.m. Departure 5:30 p.m. Let us proceed to our guest detail information. Can I have your identification card, please? Alright, thank you, sir. I have here with me the driver license, the license number PCL4 and that's 1 and the 0020 under the name of Ribayan. Please allow me to spell out your name in phonetic alphabet. Your last name is Ribayan, Alpha India, B for Bravo, Y for Yankee, A for Alpha, Y for Yankee, and your first name is Mochi, E for Echo, M for Mama, M for Mama, A for Alpha, and for November, U for Uniform, E for Echo, and Sugar. A for Alpha, R for Romeo, C for Charlie, H for Hotel, I for India, and E for S. Am I correct, sir? Alright, thank you for confirming. I do, sir, may I know if you stay under company? Rate, thank you, is for personal. Based on your reservation, your address is 15 kilos with a zip code for all. Can I have your phone number and email address?